Hey everyone, if you think Hungary is just about Budapest's grand parliament and thermal baths, think again. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind itinerary through Hungary's most eye-catching views and secret spots that you've probably never heard of. Let's kick things off outside the capital, in the fairy tale town of Eger. Tucked between rolling hills, this place is famous for its Baroque architecture, legendary wine cellars. You have to try Bikaver, that's bull's blood wine, right in the cellars carved into the hillsides. Next up, I'm heading north to the Buk National Park. Imagine endless forests, dramatic limestone cliffs, and mysterious caves. There's a hidden waterfall here, the Salika Valley Cascade. That feels like it's straight out of a fantasy novel. Trust me, you'll want your camera ready for this one. Now, let's swing by Lake Balaton, Hungary's inland sea. Sure, the beaches are popular, but I'm skipping the crowds and heading to Tihany Peninsula. This spot has lavender fields, quiet hiking trails, and panoramic lake views that'll make your jaw drop. And if you're lucky, you'll catch the sun setting behind the Benedictine Abbey. Absolute magic. But here's the real hidden gem, Hortobágy. This UNESCO-listed village is frozen in time, with cobblestone streets and thatched roof houses. Locals still wear traditional costumes, and if you visit during a festival, you'll get swept up in folk music and old-world charm. Before I wrap up, one last spot, Pécs, in southern Hungary. It's got Roman ruins, colorful street art, and a Mediterranean vibe you wouldn't expect here. Grab a coffee in the main square and just soak up the atmosphere. So, if you're craving an adventure beyond the usual tourist trail, Hungary's got you covered. Let me know which hidden spots surprised you most in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more off-the-beaten-path journeys. See you on the next adventure.